you've ever received? I'll give you a hint. My daughter. No? Okay.
It's not a gift, it was hard work.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni is one of the most renowned cricketing icons in the world and one of the best captains in the game of cricket. He is also the only skipper in cricketing history to win all three major ICC trophies, including 50-over World Cup, T20 World Cup and the Champions Trophy. Dhoni has retired from all forms of international cricket but still plays and leads one of the most successful IPL franchises, Chennai Super Kings. He is one of the most loved cricketing icons and his fan base is filled with devotees who are always praising Dhoni's intelligence, smartness and humor on and off the sporting field. One such example of Dhoni's smartness is getting viral on the internet. It is a clip from his interview with star host Mandira Bedi. One of the clips from the interview is being shared a lot on social media. It is one of the segments from the interview where Mandira Bedi asks Dhoni, "Your most priceless gift that you have ever received?" While Dhoni stops and thinks for a second, Mandira whispers, "I will give you a hint, my daughter." MS Dhoni shockingly nods in denial and says, "It is not a gift, it was hard work." The crowd alongside Mandira Bedi burst into laughter from Dhoni's response. The clip is now going viral on the internet with fans sharing and laughing over the smart and hilarious response from their favorite cricketer. Dhoni's upcoming season with Chennai Super Kings could also be the final time we see the star icon playing on a cricketing field. He has not made any clear statements about his IPL retirement plans yet, but fans want to enjoy every moment with their icon.